still raining. I can't tell. I got my head out this song. You got me stuck on the story. How's your day today? It was good. Exhausting, but good. Having a moment. Slay. Yeah, I don't feel good. There we go. Behind. Oh, that one? That's a paint by number I did. Like, I'm really debating it. I'm gonna stop complaining now. Ta-da. Look what you just made me do. Look what you just made me do. What you made me do. What you just made me do. Look what you just made me do. I don't trust nobody and nobody trusts me. Jill is the best TikToker. Thanks. Excuse me. I can't cook. I just live alone and I don't like cooking a bunch of food just for me because in the morning. Boo! That's all the hype I'll give. Appreciate it. Ratings are relative, y'all. Or was I just tripping? We were in college, but like we still had to follow our parents' rules. It was weird. I don't know. And my friends say sometime at the end of this year. I'm gonna love you. I promise till death we part. Same. We were on the same wavelength in high school. This dance sequence, so great, so iconic. The Kenergy. Thank you for the roses. I'm a sucker for all this. You tell me time has not changed me. I know I used to be crazy. Miley never misses. I don't think she's ever had a song that I don't like. That sounded so forced. Excuse me. All right. Did you hear that? Excusez-moi. Oh my god, excuse me. Chugging wine is crazy. Oh my god. Oh, slay. Feels. Oh no. Example. But then I'm like, tomorrow's the day. Excuse me. Ooh. Ooh. I have food twins. It's twins, actually. If I throw up, you guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, hold up. Oh my god. Why are they coming out like that? Oh my god. That one's ripped. Oh my god. I remember happening. Everything's fine. Nah. Oh my god. Oh my god. That was weird. That was demonic. Okay, there you go.
Get out of here.
In Tucson. It's chemicals they put in. How many babies do you have? I've been trying to like teach myself to burp on command just for shits and gigs. Not going well. Learning how to do it. Ooh. Type thing. Oh my god, I should be getting paid hundreds of dollars. Slay. Slay. It's very slay for that. Slay. Slay.
I can't even fucking get a shot. I'm done.
Has any recent songs been added to it?
No. Bored.
I can't stop. Oh god. Oh my god.
Jill, I'm just not allowed to have fun on any game right now. I didn't. And then Gavin goes, Div 1 gets crazy.
I like your cooking vibes. Oh, slay, thank you.
That wasn't it.
Oh. Like whatever popped up, popped up.